Greetings, comrades. This is Ungaming Caleb back with another unboxing video. Now, this is really going to be a two-part, but well, there's been a little snafu with the delivery because there's been a little update with the 80mm fans that were originally going to come today, but due to a little mess up in the delivery, it's going to come tomorrow. I won't be doing an unboxing of those because they're just fans. Nobody wants to see an unboxing of fans. I did, however, get one thing that I ordered, which I'm really glad I decided to get this because, well, I'm gonna close that real quick. I've fallen in love with these Baseus power banks. I have the 65 watt 20,000 milliamp hour here and the 30,000 milliamp hour over there. Both really good power banks, especially for the price. You know, super fast charging and ideal for Steam Deck and the Switch. But I also wanted something to, fast charge my stuff at home because, well, I do have a bunch of USB ports on my power surge protectors and stuff, but none of them capable of fast charging. So I thought I'd get something that might help with that, and that's where this little device comes in. A 100 watt GaN Pro desktop fast charger, and it's gallium nitride, which I hope I said that right. And it's a lot different from silicone, which a lot of other power banks and chargers like this nature use. But gallium nitride is a lot better because it generates more energy while at the same time producing less heat. So it's much more ideal for charging multiple devices and whatnot. And this can definitely charge multiple devices. It has 2 USB-C ports and 2 USB-A ports. And with 100 watt fast charging capability, I'm definitely excited to check this out. So yeah, upgraded GaN 3 technology, compatible with 45 watt fast charging Samsung devices, 100 watt dual Type-C blind interpolation, and BPS2 charging technology. I'm reading this upside down, so yeah. So yeah, definitely excited to check this out. Which I've seen a lot of good reviews on this. Baseus made several versions of this. Include like a small tower one that includes like proper power ports and stuff like that. But this is mainly for, USB devices, which I mainly got this for. And $50, it ain't too bad of a price. It's actually cheaper than getting this. But this has the benefit of being portable and having super fast charging and stuff like that, which I'm pretty sure this does as well. But 100 watts, but of course you're bound to your desk with this, so I'm curious how this is going to work out. Which, yeah, I do have a few Type-C devices. I have my phone, which I'm recording right now, and I have my tablet, both of which use Type-C. And I believe this comes with a cable, which is really good because I actually have a cable that came with my power bank. I think the other one comes with one too. So here we go. Yep, here we go. Extra cable. Let's see. So, anything else in here? Nope. Just a little cardboard sleeve that holds the stuff in. If I can get it back in there. There we go. Funny how it's easy to get in, not so easy to get out, not so easy to get back in. But anyway, so yeah, we got the it even tells you what the ports for. Type-C 1 for phone, pad, and others. Type-C 2 for laptop, phone, and pad. USB 1 for phone, watch, or earphones. So basically, these are for like lower wattage devices, and these are definitely for like your phones and tablets and stuff like that. Provided they use Type-C, of course. And come with these little stickers, which, yeah, the power banks I got came with weird little stickers. Not the same ones, but they came with stickers, so cute little thing to have. And of course, the instruction manual, don't shut up your ass, don't throw it into the sun, don't use it as a contraceptive, the usual stuff. Well, it's a little smaller than I thought it'd be, but, it is just a little charger. And, yeah, it has a little sticker to protect the ports and stuff. And the adhesives kind of shit on that. So I'm going to have to peel out by hand. But yeah, I wanted something on my desk so I can easily charge my other devices and stuff instead of having to reach to my surge protector all the time. which even using that, you know, there's no fast charging no matter what cable I use, so I want something a little more proper, and I think this will do it. I'm just supposed to use better adhesive for this, or better just use like plastic tabs. Like, why use a sticker? Because I hate when they use stickers like this. See, it's stuck on there. But yeah, gallium nitride, how do you pronounce it? However you say it, I should say. Yeah, it's meant to be much more efficient than silicone. Like I said earlier, it generates more power but produces less heat. Plus, what's really interesting about this is that it has like a overcharge protection, so you don't have to worry about, you know, overcharging your devices or anything like that. And you don't have to worry about overheating. Like I said, it doesn't produce as much heat as silicone. And all that in a small little package like this. Which, yeah, this is where you plug it into the wall. And, yeah, they're gonna find a good spot for that. Which, for some reason, I thought the plug would be a little angled, so it's easier to plug in and still have room for other plugs and stuff. But, you know, I think this will work just fine. I'm gonna plug it behind it too. There's not much back there anyway, so let's get the rest of this adhesive off. It's so annoying. But yeah, here it is. So we got the two Type-C here and the two USB-A down here. So yeah, something to use to charge my phone and tablet and any other Type-C devices. And hopefully with the over voltage protection, it won't blow them up. So yeah, just a silver little unboxing here. Definitely handy little thing to have, you know, especially with these special chargers with the GaN. Yeah, the GaN technology, gallium nitride, whatever. Yeah, like I said, produces more energy with less heat. So with 100-watt fast charging, you know, it'll charge my stuff in no time compared to like regular power banks and stuff. These do a good job, but again, I want something on my desk so I can do it from the cover of my desk instead of having to dig out one of these. And again, these are mainly for like travel and stuff like that. Whereas this, you know, you do it right comfort of your home. Because like I said, I do have some USB ports in my surge protectors, but none of them have fast charging. So one of the reasons I got these power banks is because of fast charging, and I can use them on the Steam Deck because it's pretty power hungry in portable mode. And this, even more power. So yeah, I have two of these cables. So yeah, I'll be able to charge my phone and tablet with these. And I might get another one of these later because there, like I said, there are other ones that have like full-size ports you can plug in like laptop chargers and stuff like that in there. So it'll be really nice to have. So I'll look into that later on. So yeah, next week will be another unboxing for the Silverstone case that I ordered for Proteus. And yeah, the 80mm fins supposed to come tomorrow, but I'm not doing an unboxing for those because again, nobody wants to see an unboxing of fans. So I might make a little short of them, but that's it. So anyway, this is I'm Giving Caleb signing out. Have a good day.
Suck it up, life's tough, we know that. Someone's got better stuff and can throw cash. Tell them I don't give a fuck, make my own path. I don't need no handouts, I'm my own man. Gotta get it, I'll get it and fast, yeah. Got a girl and she'll get it, she bad, yeah. Man, I only get down with the best, I'ma leave the complaints with the rest,